Good morning everyone. We are continuing with chapter 13, ways to multiply and divide. Today we are doing the exercise given on page number 175. To save the farm workers from any kind of exploitation, the state governments have fixed a minimum wage. So here in this table, the first column shows the names of different states and the second column shows the minimum salary for one day, which is fixed by each of these states. So Haryana has fixed a minimum salary of rupees 135. Rajasthan has fixed a minimum salary of rupees 73. Madhya Pradesh has fixed a minimum salary of rupees 97 and Odisha has fixed a minimum salary of rupees 75. Based on this given information, you need to answer these questions. The first question is, for farm work, which state has fixed the highest amount? So what do we observe? The highest amount is this one. So it is fixed by Haryana. So our answer is Haryana. The next question is, which state has fixed the lowest amount? Just check everybody. This is the lowest amount and the state is Rajasthan. So our answer here is going to be Rajasthan has fixed the lowest amount. Let's move to question B. Bhairo Singh is a worker in Rajasthan. If he works for 8 weeks on the farm, how much will he earn? So let's write the answer everyone. Money earned in a day. How much is that, beta? Now see, Bhairo Singh is a worker in Rajasthan. So for one day, how much money is fixed by the government? It is rupees 73. Now they want us to find it for 8 weeks. The given information is according to a day and we want to find for 8 weeks. So first we will have to convert 8 weeks into number of days. In 1 week there are 7 days. So in 8 weeks there will be more. So 7 8s are 56 days. Clear everyone? Now we can find money earned in 56 days you write, or you write 8 weeks. It is one and the same thing. It will be more. If money earned in a day is rupees 73. So money earned in 56 days will be more. That's why we multiply 73 by 56. Let's show the working on this side. I write here 73 and I multiply it by 56 everyone. 6 3s are 18, 8 I write and 1 I carry. 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 1 makes it 43. Before I begin the second step, I put a 0 here. 5 3s are 15, 5 I write and 1 I carry. 5 7s are 35 plus 1 makes it 36. Let's add them to get the final product. This is 8, this is 8, this is 0 and I carry 1 and it becomes 4088. So the money we earned in 8 weeks will be equal to 4088. Question C is, Neelam is a worker in Haryana. If she works for 2.5 months on the farm, how much will she earn? So beta, what do we know about Neelam? Neelam is a worker in Haryana. So her salary for a day will be rupees 135. So let's write the given information first. Money earned in days. So 2.5 months will be equal to how many days? 2 months will have more days. If 1 month is having 30 days, 2 will have more. So 2 into 30 will give you 60. Plus half month. Half month will have half of 30 days. That means 15 days. So beta 2 into 30 gives you 60. 60 plus 15 will give you 75 days. Now why have we taken 30 here? Because they have not specified the months they are talking about. So we assumed, we have made an assumption here that each month had 30 days. This is the reason. Clear? Now money earned in 75 days will be more. So that is why we multiply 135 by 75. So let's show the working, everybody. I write here 135 and exactly below that I write 75 and I multiply. So 5 5s are 25 and 2 I carry. I write here 5 and I carry 2. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 7 I write and 1 I carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 makes it 6. I move to the second step and I put a 0 first of all. 7 5s are 35. 5 I write and 3 I carry. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3 makes it 24. 4 I write and 2 I carry. 7 1s are 7 plus 2 makes it 9, everybody. Let's add these partial products to get the final product. So students, 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 2 I write and 1 I carry. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 I write and 1 I carry. 1 plus 9 is 10. So the money earned by Meera in 2.5 months is equal to rupees 10,125. Last question, question D. How much more will a farm worker in Madhya Pradesh get than a worker in Odisha after working for 9 weeks? There are 2 ways of doing this question. The first is, we find the difference in the very beginning between the salary of a farm worker in Madhya Pradesh and that of a farm worker in Odisha. And then we multiply it with the number of days in 9 weeks. This is one way. The second is, first we find the salary of farm worker in Madhya Pradesh for 9 weeks. Then we find the salary of farm worker in Odisha for 9 weeks. And finally, we find the difference. So let me explain it according to the first method. We are finding the difference in the salaries for 1 day in the very beginning. So difference in salaries in a day. It will be, now beta, you need to see what is the salary of 1 day of a farm worker in Madhya Pradesh. It is rupees 97. Fine. And what is the salary of a farm worker working in Odisha for a day? It is rupees 75. We have found the difference in their salary in the very beginning. Clear? So it comes as rupees 22. So if this is the difference in 1 day, the difference in 9 weeks will be more. Fine. So we will have to multiply. But before that, we will convert these 9 weeks into number of days. gives you 63 days. So we will write here difference in salaries in how many days? 63 days, which means 9 weeks. So it will be more. That's why we are multiplying 22 with 63. So let's find the difference, everybody, by multiplying these two numbers. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. And before beginning with the second step, let's put a 0. 6 2s are 12. 2 I write and 1 I carry. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So the difference is of rupees 1,386. This is one way of doing this question. Let's learn the second method. Second method is that we individually find the salary of a worker working in Madhya Pradesh for 9 weeks. Then we find the salary of a worker in Odisha for 9 weeks. And finally, we find the difference in their salaries. This is a bit lengthy method, but still it's all your choice. Either you write the answer according to the first method or you write the answer according to the second method. Both ways it is going to be correct. So, we write here Madhya Pradesh first. Salary for 1 day. How much is that, beta? It is rupees 97. Now we are required to find it for 9 weeks. And how many days are there in 9 weeks? Number of days in 1 week is equal to 7. So in 9 the number of days will be more. 7 9s are 63. Clear, everybody? Now we write salary for 9 weeks, or you write there 63 days. Both ways it is correct. So it will be more. 97 will be multiplied by 63. So let's show the working, everyone. Let's show you there. 97 being multiplied by 63. 3 7s are 21. 1 I write and 2 I carry. 3 9s are 27 plus 2 makes it 29. Now 6 7s are 42. 2 I write and 4 I carry. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 4 makes it 58. Let's add them so that we get the answer. It's 1, it's 11. 1 we carry, it's 11. 1 we carry, and this is 6. So the salary for 9 weeks in Madhya Pradesh for a farm worker is rupees 6,111. Now let's find it for the farm worker in Odisha. Salary for 1 day. How much is that, beta? Let's check it from the table. It is rupees 75. Now we don't need to find it again. Number of days in 9 weeks. We already know. So salary for 9 weeks. Will it be more? Yes. And that is why we multiply 75 with 63. Clear? So we write the answer here. Let's do the calculations. 75 multiplied by 63. 3 5s are 15. 5 I write and 1 I carry. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1 makes it 22. I put a 0 here. 6 5s are 30. 0 I write and 3 I carry. 6 7s are 42. Plus 3 makes it 45. Let's add them, children. This is 5, this is 2, this is 7 and this is 4. So the salary for 9 weeks in Odisha will be equal to 4,725. Now becomes 0 and this is 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Now again from 0 we cannot subtract 2. I borrow from here. So this becomes 0 and this is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Again we have to borrow. So this becomes 5 and this is 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. So the difference in the salaries of the farm workers in Madhya Pradesh and Odisha is rupees 1,386. That means the condition of workers in Madhya Pradesh is far better than the condition of workers in Odisha. So beta, that's it for today and all the best. Bye-bye.